Hello and welcome back to my video. In this video about Python and Flask, I will show you the very basic about how you can create a get and a get all request based on a get method. So let's beginning to create our own list up here. I will create it to call it the employees, and then we create up here and say name. And we need ID, and we need an area. That's what we want, so we know who it is, and you can just say Hugo and area DE as Germany and the ID number 1. And then we will create the next one. Should be Lars and coming from Denmark, and the employee ID is number 2, and then we want a new one. It's my name, Paris, and I'm from Denmark too, and we say the ID number 3. If you scroll a little down here, we will prepare the next route. We'll say app route should be employee. Yeah, we say employees, and for this we say get employees, and I will just say return what we have here, and in this case employees and employees. Just copy this so we spell it right. Normally, when you return it here, it will not. It will give me an error. So we need to JSON file, so we can export it as JSON. So we can import a new way here. JSON file is built into the Flask, and then you can just say JSON file here down here, and then we will export it as JSON. Let's run it to confirm. Stop the run. Going for Postman, and we'll just say employees. And what happened here? We have all the employees down here, so that's working as it should be. And now we want to get a single one out, so I'll say get employee. And before that, I need the route. And should be employees, and we need to get an ID, so we say int, and should be the as an ID. That's meaning we need the input should be int, and we'll send it down here to ID, so we can use it later. And what we want to say return value, and should be nothing at the beginning. So we need to make a for loop for the employee. And in this we want to confirm about if the employee ID is equal to the ID, then the return value should be equal to the employee. So we can send the object out, and employee. Now we don't need this, that's fine. And then we want to return JSON file again and say return value, and then it should work again. So let's go back to our poster, and we want to get out number 3. It should return Paris, that's fine. Take number 1 should be Hugo. It's correct. Take number 6, it should be empty, and that's correct. So that's how you can make a very basic employees postman request in Flask. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please make them below. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. And of course, I hope you want to subscribe my channel. You can do it in the right corner and pressing the thing. And I'll be very happy if you do this, and make a like and make a share, and I hope to see you next time, and thank you so much for your time, and thank you for subscribing. See ya.